It starts with a light. November 1896, Sacramento. People look up, see a brilliant beam cutting through the night, attached to something long, silent, impossible. Over the next months, that something reportedly drifts. California, Midwest, Texas. The newspapers call it an airship. The people call it a mystery. I want you to imagine being there. There are no airplanes. The Wright brothers haven't flown yet. Electric lights are still new. Searchlights even newer. Then, one night, a cigar-shaped craft passes overhead. With a propeller, a gondola. And that uncanny spotlight sweeping the dark. Some swear they hear voices. Others claim they speak to the pilot. An inventor testing a secret machine. A few say the crew drops a note. One farmer insists the craft lassoed his calf. It's absurd. It's captivating. It's 1896. The reports surge. San Francisco, Oakland, Fresno. Then, as 1897 dawns, the flap spreads east to Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, Illinois. Tiny towns and big cities alike. Editors print breathless headlines. Eyewitnesses give detailed sketches. Cigar hulls, wings like a bird, wheels, sails, propellers. A bright front light. Some see 3 men in a basket. Others describe a gentleman in a derby hat who politely asks for water, claiming he'll be in New York next Tuesday. There's even a crash story, Aurora, Texas, where a supposed pilot not of this world is said to be buried. So what was it? Here's where it gets tangled. In the late 1800s, the world was buzzing with invention fever. Dirigibles were being tested in Europe. Tinkerers everywhere were building odd contraptions in barns. Meanwhile, yellow journalism rewarded the sensational. Some papers printed hoaxes to boost sales, some witnesses chased attention, some editors winked and ran with it anyway. But not everything was fake. People really did see lights. Details often evolve after headlines, drifting toward what the last article described. It's the echo chamber of the 1890s, viral before the internet, contagious by ink. Still, I get why people believed. The 1890s felt like standing on a launch pad. X-rays had just been discovered. Telephones knit distances. Electricity turned night into day. If a secret airship existed, it felt within reach. And that hope can turn a light into a legend.